today, Miss Stacy and I thought we would do a sun catcher, but we usually do this in the fall. So instead of using items that you find in the fall, or nature items in the fall, we decided to do a summer one. So as you can see, we have nice pink, red roses. I'm gonna bring the camera so you guys can see on purpose. Let's see. These are items you find in the summer. So look at the beautiful pink roses and the purples. And we also have, we have some of those beautiful dandelions. This actually looks like a daisy. That's a daisy. I'm sorry, that's a daisy.
We do have some dandelions here.
And these are little yellow flowers. If you notice, there's a lot more colors in the spring or in the summer than there are in the fall, and they're bright and fun colors. Even the leaves are pretty. They're two-tone, yellow and green. So this is very simple. All you need to do first is go pick some pretty flowers or leaves, but ask permission. We don't want you to go pick somebody's flower garden and then get in trouble. Actually, Stacy put a good leaf. Look at that. That's awesome. Yeah, that's awesome. And then you need a plain paper plate, nothing fancy. You need a little bit of contact paper, not a big piece, a scissor, and this you have mom and dad help you, a brother or sister you do not, unless you have one of those scissors that you might
some scissors that are safer. Yeah. All right, you ready to see how to make it? So we're gonna take our plate. We're going to cut out this circle in the middle. So I'm going to fold mine in half because I think that's an easier way to get it started. And I'm going to cut while it's in half, and then I'm going to open it back up. And then I can cut around in a circle to cut out the inside of my plate.
And this Kathy's going to leave hers folded. Ooh, and just cut around the circle that's in the plate.
That's a good idea too.
But again,
Kathy's way is going to be a lot faster.
Again, it's not a perfect circle, but that's okay.
All right.
So now we're going to circle. Hello.
Yeah.
And spin it. Woo! Mine's like a frisbee.
Oh man. All right. So when Miss Kathy gets first, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to take our contact paper. We're going to fold it. We're going to fold it in half.
Fold it in half, so now you have two sides.
We need to make a circle that's bigger than the piece that we just cut out. So I'm just going to keep my circle that I cut out and put it here as like a guide, and then kind of make a bigger circle around it. But it doesn't have to be exact. All right? So I'm going to use my marker, and I'm going to cut around the circle. Markers have to spell in the first. So many things are happening during this video, you guys.
Again, it does not have to be perfect. It just has to be bigger.
We still have it folded. We have the circle, so we're going to keep it folded and cut it so that we end up with two circles that are the same size. Right?
Now this is a little harder because contact paper comes on a roll.
Kind of rolled up, kind of slippery,
Kind of slippery and rolled up.
That's all right. We got this. Yeah, and now we're cutting around, we're holding it and turning it around and around and around. And then we can test and see how we do, because our circle needs to be bigger than the hole that we cut out, but smaller than the plate. So let's see. Mine is really close. Kathy did it. Yay! Kathy, I think, did it too.
I think I did it too.
Mine's like barely there, but you did it. All right. So we're going to take one circle. We're going to take the sticky part off.
This is the tricky part. Kathy's terrible at this.
It's all right. We can all help each other, right?
I think Stacy's going to help.
Hold on. Let me So I'm going to stick it, I turned my plate over, so it's the back of my plate. And I'm going to stick it so I make sure that every part of the hole is covered. Alright, can you see that? So every part of the hole is covered.
Might be better if Miss Kathy had a glasses.
Now I'll help Miss Kathy with hers, because teamwork is good. This one's harder, you know?
Oh, it doesn't want to go. So
It's
it's
not just Miss Kathy, no. You get
this.
technical.
Oh, I have this one, Miss
Oh, this
Stacy.
one's ready too, and for your next part.
I'm going to, here it is my circle. I'm going to put it on the back. And move it over just a little. Miss Kathy's having very technical difficulties.
Not easy activity, but I think that's
All right. Here we go.
okay.
See, we're all blurry now.
Alright. So what we have here is when we turn our plate over, the sticky side is on top. So then we can take some of our leaves and our flowers and we can put them on the sticky part. So we don't want to have something like big. It needs to be kind of flat. So we can take some of the petals off of our flowers and put those on maybe. So I'm going to use a pink petal.
And we can take a little bit of the
Yellow
purple
petals.
and put it on.
See what's happening so far. Some yellow, some pink. A little more pink.
Purple. I'm going to take this pink that fell off the petals. Put it on there. And a little bit of this yellow is very pretty.
I like some of these leaves, which are like the flower is dying a little bit. Can you see that? I'll show you. The leaves are a little bit dry because the flower had already died, but they're still a really cool color. So I'm going to put some of those.
And we'll put a little dandelion with the stem.
I want to get some nice green leaves too. This guy is too big. Look, it went take up like my whole plate.
These little grassy pieces are good. You can stick them on the plate, on the sticky part. I can use Kathy needs a little more color.
Over. What do you think? How about some of these yellow ingredients? These are cool. Did you guys see these before?
Those are the ones I told you were different colors.
See some yellow and green all in the same leaf.
Oh, they're beautiful.
They smell really good too. So I know you can't smell it through the video, but I can smell it even through my mask. The flowers and the leaves.
It smells so good.
Smells like summer. Right. You're getting close. I don't want to fill it up too much. Oh, mine's double. It's hard to resist putting all these pretty colors on. I just want to keep adding stuff.
Kathy's a purple bullet. I love purple. I'm putting a lot of the purple and the pinks.
They might be done.
And I might take a couple of leaves from the daisy.
I'll show you what mine looks like right now. So it looks like this. It has a lot of different colors. You want to see Miss Kathy's up close?
I'm going to add one more little pink.
Here's Miss Kathy's. So we both use the things, same things, but different patterns and different designs. Now we can see what the next step is. What do you guys think we're going to do?
Now, Miss Stacey, I think if we leave this uncovered, these are going to end up falling off.
Yeah,
you?
I don't think that will work. So, ooh, this is pretty white, but I might have to add one more petal. Notice this one. It's hard to
Miss
resist.
Stacy went out this morning 'cause-
We thought it was going to rain.
and before it got too hot.
Alright, so we have that second circle that we cut. So we're going to peel off the paper of that second circle. Sorry, I saw this circle. And we're going to put it on top and make sure we cover the whole thing. And then push it down nice and flat.
This is the one I couldn't start. Kathy
it.
can't see it.
This contact paper is being tricky. Oh, I'm sorry. Can you get it?
I don't know, we'll see.
Let's see. We got it. Oh my goodness, it doesn't want to come. There we go.
Yay, thank you, Miss Stacy, for being a helper. Now I'm gonna put mine over. Ta-da!
Yay.
These are so pretty to hang up in the window.
Now you have an option. You can leave it like this because it's a nice white frame. You could also maybe decide that you wanted to decorate it. You don't have to. But if you wanted to, maybe make like some stripes around it. Or some
Circle.
some polka dots. You could like get really artistic and color it in different ways. We're just kind of being like that.
Or if you choose and you have some different color plates at home, you can take a plate that might be green or blue or yellow or orange or red, and you can use that instead of a plain white plate. And that'll make a nice color frame as well. So you have different options.
Yeah, design.
So I just have little squigglies around mine.
We're going to do one last thing to make it easier to hang these up so they can decorate your house. We have a hole punch. If you don't have a hole punch, you can just poke a hole with scissors. So I'm going to take my hole punch, I'm going to put it down on my plate right here, and I'm going to poke a hole. Uh-oh, I poked a hole, but now it's stuck. There we go.
Alright, now I'm going to poke my hole in here and see how that goes. Okay, so can you see the hole? I see you. You have a little hole on the top.
I'm going to cut some string. We're going to take the string. This is hard. You're going to hold it in one hand. Take the string through the hole.
Pull it out.
Now it's hanging. And then you can tie a knot. And then you could hang this in your window. How cool is that? Let's show you how cool. Check it out. Whoa. And the sun would shine through it. It would look so cool. That was pretty easy, huh? You could do it with anything that you have outside and just a plate. And then decorate it with whatever you have. Cool. Imagine if you didn't have contact paper, you could use like clear tape too, like packing tape. You just have to put a few stripes in it. I think a lot of people have that and don't have contact paper. Right. If you try it, you'll find some cool stuff outside to put in. Right? You can collect some natural materials. And then you'll have to let us know if you try it and have fun. Right?
Take a picture and send it to us and let us know how it comes out so we can put it on Facebook and show all your friends.
All right, have fun.
Have a good day.